No.
Let me know if they initiate.
He's Dunskies.
They're all so shit. There's so many cop cars here. Sebastian, we need help now!
What do you mean help? What is one person gonna do?
Sebastian, there's so many, dude.
It's just gonna get 50 cops on me and 0 on you.
There's so many.
What's the plan, bro?
My car is not even fast enough to escape. It maxes
how
out
fast
at
is your car
302.
Yeah, mine goes 315.
According to my calculations, 315 says in 302.
Yeah, I understand my rights. Can we go? How long am I going to jail for? I can't hop in.
Oh, these trucks are here. Let's see if they'll help us.
Oh,
Help us! We got the cops on us! Help us! The cops! We need help!
Why are you taking me to jail? That was an accident.
Just go PDM them. Was PDM like against rules?
Alright, we're dipping. Fuck the airfield, bro. We're dipping.
Holy shit, there's like 50 trucks.
I
There's like so many cops. The
know!
trucks just got S1.
That's initiation.
Can't you guys just let me go with a ticket,
Why is there
please?
50 trucks?
Why?
Who fucking knows?
So, you just seize it from me and give me a ticket. Nice big ticket, you know?
I can literally tell you how to break out of jail. It's so easy.
Breaking out of jail is easy.
Yeah.
I did it my first time in. Like,
Yeah, me as well.
Yeah, same.
And then
The
Fuck
only
that
time
cop.
I've ever waited in jail was when a DOC officer stood there right next
Yeah,
to
me as well. But the way I know how to get out is exploiting. I can basically
The way I
phase
got out-
myself
Oh,
through
yeah.
the
The way
wall.
I got out is, a cop, what is it, left his helicopter unlocked. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still have a cop on my ass. This is not good. These dudes don't fucking give up.
what is that?
Literally, there's no cops at PD.
Yeah, they're all on my ass.
Wait there and save Derek. How many do you have, Derek, with you? Oh, he's in cuffs and stuff. Can't use radio, can he? Oh, you got
They'll
stripped.
probably
Never
take
mind.
it away.
Yeah. I was gonna say, if it's just one escorting them or two, try to save them.
Yeah.
Or just drive away.
Bro, this cop needs to fuck
I
off.
think it's SWAT.
Ah, screw SWAT.
Can I bring him to KOS area since they don't have prior initiation?
Yeah. Take him to one of the, the controlled zones.
I don't know where any are from my position.
Is a plane crash a KOS zone?
No. But I'm about to yoink a fat right turn up here.
You're basically driving a DOC for them.
I'm going through the woods. He said, yeah, it looks like he's gonna be doing a Yui. Now there's two on my ass. I'm really gonna need some help.
I'll soft lock to save my gear.
Honestly, just do it. Just do it. I don't care.
They don't know I'm in here.
I know. Sebastian, I'm still going.
Bro, you're so far away.
Slimy bastard, bro. It's only the Cadillac being able to hold up. Fuck this cop, man. Like, dude. I'm literally gonna run out of gas before this chase is even over.
Well, Derek's going to jail.
Yeah, I know. I'm in fucking Colchester now.
I think this car's calling for backup because I was driving next to him looking shady. I'm just letting him see me in front.
I mean, I'm going into a KOS zone, so maybe it'll fuck off, but...
I'm gonna come to the KOSA.
No, I left it.
Why?
I can turn around and go back. Tell me yes, no.
Your choice.
Yeah, I mean, you're kind of far. That's the only problem. I might lose him right here, but I'm going back to the KOS zone, so... Hey, send Jordan Lucas a temp invite.
Alright. I must just lagged out again.
I did as well. Okay, so I think I lost him. Where are you, Sebastian?
I'm at the KOSA.
Okay, I'm coming in it now.
Did you lose him?
I think so. We have to be on foot to capture this, I think.
Radio check.
10-2.
Derek's going to jail. I don't even think they processed him.
I need to what?
Is that you in that car? Sebastian? Oh yeah, it is.
Hands on head or die, hands on head on die.
That's about how that one guy's initiation went.
Yeah.
Fucking loot these things. You can get prison key cards and shit.
You can?
Yeah, don't loot the same one I'm doing.
Derek's going to jail?
Yeah.
Yikes.
It's
Break 'em
so easy to break out, though. We're not gonna be able to break him out. That's the problem.
Got nothing.
It's a major crime, and that place is just so hard to hold down, like mad hard. Ask Sebastian, he knows.
Yeah.
Those cops were actually so shit. Oh, they gave a 10K ticket to Derek, and maybe they're letting him go. Alright, let's go.
No, he was arrested. They gave him a 10K ticket then was put in jail.
Oh, well.
That's not even allowed.
Maybe he paid a ticket to let off some of the time.
Honestly, class 3 should just be like 10K ticket.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm going into Colchester. And then Camden.
I speed over 10 kilometers over the actual thing, and I get a speeding ticket. 5K one.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
They can't see my gun while I'm driving, can they?
I mean, they might fucking do the same thing they've been doing to us and saying, oh yeah, I can see
fail
your
RPG.
gun. Yeah.
Okay, I'm recording,
Metagaming.
so metagaming, I guess, yeah.
If any cops do that shit, I'm just gonna take them up to IA.
Yeah. Get them fucking D-ranked or kicked off the police force.
Because SWAT members were doing that. I wanna get them off SWAT.
Yeah.
Syriana. Came through spitting shit like a llama. I'll beat up your baby mama. I'm from the hood. You don't want that drama. Turn left, turn right, Swerviana. Bitches hating, need to stop it, Parkiana. I got that fucking bag money on her. All these niggas on my sausage, Rihanna.
This Maserati is so fucking good, bro. It would be so much better if it just went like fucking 7 kilometers an hour faster. That's it,
There's a
bro.
cop car in front of me. It's probably one of the ones I was
Is it the
looking
Cadillac?
for. No, it's a white. Well, full
White
version.
Chrysler. Yeah, that's it. It was the Cadillac and the Chrysler that were able to keep up with me the whole entire time. How far behind me are you? Oh, we took 2 different routes, okay. Oh, all these big-ass brown trucks are in front of me. At the drug dealer. They all pulled into the drug dealer.
For real, is that what they were doing?
Maybe.
They wouldn't help us.
Yeah, they wouldn't help us. I was kind of mad. I'm in Camden.
Derek, do you have a gun? Hello?
Derek's in jail. Why is the bridge up?
Probably the
That's right.
dumb cops. They probably said, oh, fuck nah, bruh. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Some guy just in a taxi accidentally blew up his friend's motorcycle.
Yeah, Derek got sent to jail. I'm going to DOC right now.
How long?
No clue. I just know.
Okay, I'm on my way to DOC now, I guess. If you want me to.
I don't care.
Oh my god, this Chrysler found me! I gotta get out of the city again. Fuck this guy, man. I need help.
Why?
This Chrysler found me again. Oh, there's two of them.
You can't come up that bridgeway. The bridge is
I can't
up.
take a left up here?
No, the bridge is up. They put the bridge up for some
Oh
reason.
my god, bro. And I guarantee you this bridge up here is gonna have fucking, goddamn spike strip.
Yeah.
I'm doing the little wood bridge.
Hey, Derek says come get him. Alright, come get him.
Yeah, he did, but like, you know, I'm currently dealing with something.
Deal with it later, okay?
Is the DOC officer watching him or no?
No, there's no one DOC.
Then why doesn't he just escape?
Admin's online.
Basically, the
No,
way
no,
I
no,
do
he
it,
can still escape.
not really.
How?
Basically, the way I do
Lockpicks.
you can't get lockpicks.
No, Jordan can give him lockpicks.
Oh, yeah, I guess, but the way I did it is I just logged out, and then I just crashed. I'm fucked. I need help now.
Just got a con.
I just pull my plug.
I don't even have lockpick, so I can't give it to him, and I'd have to get close to him, which I could just jump the fence. You don't have to lock fence. Pick the fence or the gate.
No, just on SN20 with the gun out. Isn't initiated.
Why you gotta do me like this, man? I'm one fucking guy, and you have to chase me for
No.
fucking kilometers? Why?
Just waiting for additions.
Why?
So you guys wanna?
Why you gotta fucking do that though?
Black clothes, green vest.
Yeah, why you gotta do that, huh? Huh? Why you gotta do it? Why you gotta do it? Why? Why?
Give him shot now.
Why you gotta do it? Why?
Do you know what I find dumb about jail? They programmed it so if you die in jail, you get sent there for longer. It automatically, when you respawn, sends you there for twice the time. So if you starve, bam, 30 minutes in there if you had 15.
Oh shit. Flying pink.
Go, 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 go! Fuck, I'm going to jail.
Yeah?
They literally need fucking a billion cops just to take out one guy. Now, I jumped in some guy's taxi. Come help me now. Come on my 20 now. There's like 5 cop cars, man. I jumped in some random ass dude's taxi.
We're good. Where's your friends? I'll take you to them.
Where are y'all at? They're at the Supermax prison.
Okay, what's the different spot then?
What,
Sebastian.
are you in a taxi?
Yeah, I'm in a taxi.
Is he driving away from you?
Yeah, he's driving me away. Sebastian, I need help now. Sebastian, I need help, like right now.
Oh,
Okay, where do we go? Where do we go? So go up here and take a right.
No, don't take. Oh yeah, go to.
Go right, go right. Go strip club, you said, Sebastian? Oh my god.
No, don't go strip club.
we're fine.
That's one just down.
Don't have a gun. That's cool. Roleplay.
Dude, honestly, my gang is so shit, bro. Literally, every time I ask for them, they don't listen, bro. They all just fucking run, man. Like, none of them help me, ever. And I don't know why. Like, they're all fucking shit, man. All of them.
And they just killed my friend as well.
Oh, fucking faggots.
Yeah.
Fucking slays the
If I did that, I'd get slapped with a fucking 5-day ban.
Fuck yeah.
Alright, I'll be back.